Hey Confident Naturals, welcome to Janae's Journey. I'm your girl Janae Simone. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can get notifications every time I post. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about the LadyBoss blogger course that I have finally completed. If you've seen a few videos previous to this one, I was hosting a contest on my page to win a free course. That contest is over, but if you are still interested, I do have an in for you, and you can use my 40% off code at Janae's Journey. Okay, you can use my code to still get the course 40% off. I really suggest you guys do it. So I'm just coming to you guys to tell you guys my thoughts on the course. And wow, it has taught me so dang much. Okay, so she just gives so many great tips, and not just tips, but she gives like actual stuff that you can do and you can put into place right now to be on your journey. Like, wow, there are so many things and so many platforms, so many companies, and just tools and outlets out there that I did not know was accessible to me. She gives about like 20 platforms that are for connecting influencers to companies that need promotion. Like, she just lists them out, like just like that. So really all you have to do is pitch them, and like contact them to potentially get a deal. And then she tells you what you should pretty much say in your pitch, like how to form your pitch so that people read it and want to work with you, which I think is pretty awesome. So yeah, she gives us that. Like on Instagram and Twitter and YouTube, all social media platforms, she basically just shows you, well, she tells you how to get your ideal audience, which are the people that are going to buy from you, the people that are listening to you, that you actually influence. Because everybody on your platform, you don't influence, and I am realizing that right now with my Instagram. Make sure you follow me at Janae Simone. But she gives you tips on how to like zoom in on that audience and how to captivate on their attention so that you can continue putting out content that actually gets to your audience, if that makes sense. So if you are an influencer, or if you want to become an influencer, she shows you how to arrange your media kit. So I made my media kit based off just my thoughts and how I felt, what I think I am worth and all that. But she tells you like pretty much how to set it up, what to include. She also gives you a site that helps you, that tells you like how much you're worth on each platform. I think it's called Social Blade or something like that, socialblade.com. So that's super cool because you get to actually see like how much you're worth based off how much traffic you're getting and engagement you're getting on your platforms. So that's super cool. Check that out. She gives like so many like receipts, like details on what you need to do, where you need to go, how you need to do it to succeed. So if I didn't save this in this video, which I don't think that I did, I just completed the how to make money as an influencer course. So I am an influencer and I do make some money, but obviously I need to make more to get up there where I'm trying to get. So yeah, she definitely puts it all out there and gives you all the deeds of what you need to do. Like, she gives you the platform, she gives you the resources. Oh my gosh, let me not forget, she gave a calendar, a day to day calendar of what you need to do on your social media, like to be engaged with your followers, like questions you need to answer, things you need to talk about, things you should post, just so that your audience and your followers they feel more close to you and personal. And that's really important when you're building a personal brand, is to connect on a personal level with your people. So yeah, she gives you a calendar. She tells you what you need to do. I mean, I love it. this course was extremely helpful in helping me land deals. So something that I changed doing, like I used to lead with how much I cost, how much my services are, and sometimes I still do that, but most of the time now I just let them tell me how much they are willing to spend with me, and then we negotiate from there. Because I realize leading with your price, I mean, some people can't afford it, some people, you know, feel different ways about it. So I shifted to let people tell me what they think they want to pay me, or, you know, how we want to work out our deal. So that's something that I learned, and something that I implemented, and something that has helped me get a lot more deals. Also, so that list of 20 companies that she listed out for you know, the learner to out to, it was about 20 of them, and I think I landed like 9 or 10 of them, like, and I mean super easy, like super easy. So those are people that I'm now starting to work with. I haven't actually like start doing any work yet, but we are partners now, so that's super awesome and super helpful. So I really think that my skill set really increased from taking this course. Like, I'm looking at this influencer business with a more keen, detailed business eye. I mean, I've been looking at it as a business, but now I kind of know, like I got my footing better on how I'm going to approach things, and from taking this course. And honestly, it has helped so much my professionalism, my mindset, my content that I create. It really has enhanced. So below, I'm going to add my 40% off code, and I'm also going to add some links to some more courses of hers. I took the How to Make Money as an Influencer course because that's what I am, but she has that, as well as blogging, and I think podcasting. Like, I'm not sure. She has, like, I think a few though. So, you know, based off what kind of influencer you are, I think that you would really find one of her courses very helpful. Alright, you guys, I'm not going to tell you guys everything she gives in this course because it is so much. It is so much. But she even tells you some sites and some ways to even do your taxes as an influencer. Because, you know, money is not like the same. It don't come in the same, like, as far as the amount. So she tells you some sites and some ways that you can turn this into a business and do your own taxes as an influencer. Y'all. Okay, so yeah, make sure you use my code Janae's Journey to get 40% off her courses, you guys. Like, it is beyond worth it. Okay, if you're on your journey or trying to start your journey, I absolutely think at any point in your journey, honestly, I think that this is an absolute great course to take. It is so informative. Like, she gives you the deeds, like the details, like, I mean, she just gives it to you. So it is an amazing investment. So make sure you follow her Instagram and YouTube channel, LadyBoss Blogger, and the founder is Elaine Ra. So yeah, because she's awesome. And use my code Janae's Journey to get 40% off her courses, because the contest is over, and if you weren't able to participate in it, I am sorry, but you can use my code to get some money off, okay, of the course. And absolutely, you guys need to do it. You guys just need to do it, okay? So yeah, follow your girl too, okay, at Janaea Simone on Instagram. And again, hit that like and subscribe button right now. Hit that bell for notifications every time I post, every single week. Okay, you guys, so I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.